Give me 2 minutes of your time. Thanks. Because all we have to do is start typing really simple sentences online in exchange for money. As long as you have internet connectivity, it works on all of your devices, including phones and desktops. You get more money the more words you enter. You can start right away and with a bang to make some quick money if you have an extra 2 minutes per day. As you can see, I'm going to walk you through every step of learning how to type very basic sentences so that you can earn an additional $200 to $500 every day. In this brief video, I'll walk you through all the procedures, subtleties, and websites. I've also included a few surprises and bonus techniques in this video to help you quadruple your revenue. You adore this so much. Watch the entire video to learn about this internet money-making strategy. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's use AskWonder.com, the first website we'll use today. I want to provide you a lot of vital information in this video before we visit the website. First things first, when you visit this website, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Okay, you'll learn something along the lines of this. Join our team as a research analyst and be paid while you learn. Please select the Apply Here button when prompted. You can access this page by clicking this button, so feel free. As you can see, it is feasible to use your brain to earn money, work whenever you like, develop new skills, and broaden your horizons. Now that this business pays you for typing online, let me walk you through the process on your phone or computer. You must first finish the application, which is a straightforward procedure. You only need to enter your name, email address, and password at this point. You can't enter any country because they accept applications from people all over the world. Then run the application. Just a small but crucial reminder, after completing your application, you will receive an email verifying your activation. Activate your Wonder account as you can see. Now be cautious when you click the link to validate your login or the blue icon to activate your account, as you can see here at Welcome to Wonder. Once you've finished registering, you may start working on numerous typing jobs, projects, and research projects to start earning money. In order for you to understand how it works, let me walk you through these 4 steps. You can see that the initial step on this website is to enter the research dashboard, at which point you are prepared to begin working. As you can see, your research dashboard may have a variety of tasks and assignments that you can begin working on to begin receiving payment. In essence, you'll get a task request for the next stage. You can keep searching and joining new projects to continue working on them. Prior to synthesizing your findings, you must undertake appropriate study on the solutions and sources for the 3rd phase. In essence, this is what forces you to type in order to earn money. That is essentially where your money will go. I'm currently signed into my account. I can find the amount of assignments that will instruct me to conduct research, begin writing, and receive payment on my research dashboard. Since you don't need any prior experience and it's incredibly basic to use, this is now really simple. Since all you need to do is utilize a unique Google tree, which I will immediately demonstrate how to use, you don't need to conduct any study. However, let me first give you an example. For instance, the choice for market size will be available if I choose marketing. When I click this button over here, they will then locate a variety of positions for you to select from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for instance. The projects in one category to the right total 6. Now, numerous people earned the most expensive TV series ever made when they were assigned these jobs and projects. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. How will they move forward? They won't be able to input the answers to these questions easily, so I want you to start Google right away. However, let's go back to this project first before highlighting everything else. Simply highlight this one so we can recreate it later. We will copy everything, go back to Google, and then enter it all into the necessary fields. Which TV program has had the most expensive production? As soon as we enter all of this information into Google's search box and press search, a range of search results will show up. We can also type out a variety of various responses in many different ways. Find the correct one now and enter the response in a Google document. Before moving on to try it yourself, I'm going to remove this one and start over so you can see precisely how I do it. The most expensive television program produced for our initiative was this one. They will pay us after we deliver their top 10 lists of TV shows. Since we can use Google to find up the answers for ourselves, this has become much simpler. The only thing left to do is create a ranking of the 10 TV programs with the greatest production expenditures. They only give an example for number 2, as you can see in the example below. The top 2 rankings in the top 10 are shown here in the point and bullet structure that is pretty simple. We will now return to Google and conduct additional research on the particular issue. You may watch the most expensive TV shows in history on this website, which is the first to list the top 10 most expensive TV shows. Just click that link over there and we'll be on this website shortly. Here are some of the most expensive TV programs ever produced. As we delve further, we'll get more detailed responses, as you can see in this Game of Thrones snapshot. They present the budget, the crown, and then, the Band of Brothers in that order. The truth is that you don't even need to get them right. All you need to do is enter your search term in Google and we'll get to work right away. This complete the responses. I want you to duplicate them as a result. This is Game of Thrones' greatest episode, as you can see. I will highlight everything starting here and going all the way down. Let's start straight now. Okay, I'll do it live in front of you. I'll then just click the copy button to copy this content, return to this website, and paste everything there. Starting at number 1, we'll work our way up to number 10. As you can see, every single item in the list from 1 to 10 is included. This is so effective because all you need to do is utilize the appropriate approach, which is to use Google to perform internet research for the answer. This eliminates the need for you to actually type the answer out or provide it. Simply copy the response and enter it in the box as you would normally. Okay, but occasionally, the solution cannot be obtained by merely turning to the first page. I'll demonstrate the second case, which is considerably difficult. Right now, this is the second question, as you can see. Okay, I've finished answering the first question. By doing that, I could easily make $50 to several $100s. As you can see, the second question is, which American cities are growing the fastest? Therefore, we'll use the same rules. The inquiry will be marked with other queries and we'll copy it before pasting the complete query into Google. Which US cities are growing the fastest, as can be seen below? And why is this happening? I'll proceed as instructed and then click search to look over a few websites right now. As you can see, this question is a little tricky. Thus, I might not find the precise solution on the first page. This is a problem, so we'll try it again on the second web page. If I click on this link to access the second page, Quicken Loans talks about the 20 US cities with the quickest growth rates. So keep researching till you get the right answer. Similar to this one, I'm really anticipating discovering some useful information on this page at this point. I can now just copy and paste. Now that you can submit and publish this one online, you can start earning money. Now that everything has been removed, I'll offer you a different reply. I'll paste everything now all right. Now as you can see, I've ranked the 15 cities with the highest percentage growth rates. You can notice immediately once how well done the second project's type is. In one of the US cities with the fastest population increase, I can turn them in for this project and finish the other task at hand. Now the same process may be applied to projects 3 and 4. Identify the question, type it into Google, pick a reputable source, and then copy the response. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notified bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.